Hello everyone, मैं Sikun from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have been looking for a way to start your own business with low investment, flexible hours, global potential, this video is for you. Today I am walking you through how to start a forever living product business step by step. Step 1. Understand what Forever Living is a global health and wellness company that sells aloe vera based products that operate through direct selling, which means you can earn by selling products, building your team. Second, register as a forever business owner. To start, you need to register as a forever business owner. You can do this online through their official website or through an existing distributor. Registration is free. It might require a small starter kit purchase. Third, learn about products. Next, get to know the products. Forever Living offers health drinks, skincare, weight management, and supplements. Try them yourself, learn the benefits, and understand what you are offering. Authentic experience help you sell better. Build your network. Start talking to people, family, social media followers. Do not spam. Share value. Maybe show your result with a product or do mini product reviews. Focus on solving problems, not just selling. Fifth, use the marketing tools. Forever Living provides online tools and brochures help you promote the business. Use social media, WhatsApp, YouTube. You did not need a physical store, just consistency and smart outreach. 6 point, grow your team. It is optional but powerful. Once you are comfortable, you can invite others to join as business owners under you. As your team grows, so do your bonuses. Training and monitoring them helps everyone succeed. Starting forever business is simple, but growing it takes time. Stay genuine, keep learning, and you will build something meaningful. If you found this video helpful, give it like, subscribe, and drop your question in the comment below. Thank you.